Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some M.2 storage inside of our PS5. I know there's already some videos out there, but I'm hoping that this reaches some people and it might help them. So, this is the storage that we're going to be using. This is the Crutial 2 terabyte. It's up to 5,000 megabytes per second, P3+. This is underneath the minimum, but I read a lot of reviews, said that it works, at least for now, and if there's any new games that come out that require faster storage, we'll just upgrade the storage. If you don't want to fool with this cheaper storage, and you want to go ahead and buy the Pro stuff, I'll link this and the best version for the PS5 down in the comment section below, so check that out. So you're going to need storage, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to need to watch this video all the way to the end, so that way you get exactly what you need. So, grab your PS5. Yes, I'm doing this on the counter beside my sink. What have you? Anyway, so to open the PS5 up, you're going to take your left hand, you're going to place it on the bottom, you're going to take the top, and you're just going to pull like up, not hard, but up and back like at an angle, okay? Ready, set, go. Right? That's it. That's that easy. So, once you've got your case opened, then what we're going to do is we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to loosen the screw, okay? Yeah, you could see that. So we'll take the screw loose. All right, there's the screw, in case you need to know it later, in case it falls on the floor or something and you can't find it. Believe me, that's happened a bunch of times. Okay. You know, you'd think if somebody bought a $300 tripod, you'd be able to do better shots than this, but I want you to take a look in here. That's where it goes. That's where the M.2 drive goes. There's a screw and there's a little metal ring, okay? We're going to take the screw loose, okay? And it doesn't need to be hard. You don't need to put a lot of pressure on it. Take the screw loose. All right, and the ring is the little ring is gonna come out. Okay, there's the little ring that you're looking for. Right there. Okay. Take that, and put that to the side, and I'll take your storage, and you're gonna wanna open your storage up. Okay, and it comes with a screw, but you've already got one. So you don't really need the screw, but we will take the storage out for sure. So just grab it by the edge, okay? Set that to the side. Now let's look inside. So we're gonna get an estimate about which slot the ring needs to go into. So just kind of set it in there, and then we'll take our ring. We notice that it lined up with number 80. So we will take the ring, set it in there, and remember the storage lines up from the small end on the left-hand side. So we will slide it in at an angle, just like this. Push it in. Go ahead and get your screw ready, okay? We're gonna push it in, and then we're gonna slowly push it down, make sure that it all lines up. And we're gonna take our screw, and with our very wobbly hands, apparently, we're going to screw it down in. And that does not need to be tight. Okay, next thing to do is put your cover plate back on, because you will need it. You don't want that exposed. Put your screw back in, tighten her down. Now remember how your cover plate went. Just slide it a little bit in there, right there. It looks like it's almost fit. Slide it to the left, you'll hear it snap right in. That baby's ready to go. The only thing that you're going to need to do is once you boot your PS5 up, it's going to say, hey, we've got new storage, and you'll have to format it. Just click format, and you'll be ready to copy games over to it in a matter of no time. So, anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content just like this one. Have a great day. Peace.